In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a teddy bear on a heart. This is one of the most popular balloons that I've made when I was doing gigs. It's a real crowd pleaser. People love it. They think the bear is ultra cute. If you're working an event, it's a great balloon to make because it's high profile. When the kids or adults start carrying it around, the person that hired you will know that you're doing your job. The second thing is if you're doing some kind of event where you're vending, you're actually selling balloons. Once the kids start walking around the carnival, school event, whatever it is, they attract attention, and it's like free advertising for you at an event. So let's get started. To make your teddy bear balloon on a heart, you're going to need 3 balloons. One will form the handle or twist, another one will form the heart, and yet one more will form the bear itself. For your heart balloon, fill your balloon almost all the way to the end. All you're going to do is take the nozzle end and the other end and twist them together and allow a small basic twist at the remaining part of the balloon. You'll have a loop. At this point, you're going to take the center point of the heart and begin to pull it down. Bend it and begin to pull and shape the balloon. And you'll have a heart. Now let's get to our twist. Inflate your second balloon almost to the end or all the way to the end. And all you're going to do is fold it in half. Find the midpoint here and make a basic twist. Now you can just start from here. I think it helps to make 2 pinch twists here for stability. And now, all you're going to do is twist the balloon together. So I will just demonstrate here. What I'm doing is holding the bottom, taking my other hand, and watch how my thumb goes on this side and my fingers go over here, and then I'm just twisting. So it looks like this. And you should have a nice twist. Now we're going to place the heart onto the twist. All you're doing is taking your 2 basic twists here and twisting it into the 2 pieces right here. Let's do that. Now you have a finished sculpture in itself. This is a heart on a stick, which is also a crowd pleaser. Now let's make our bear. Starting at the nozzle end, you're going to make a basic twist about 2.5 to 3 inches long. Hold. Now make a basic twist of about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Make a pinch twist. A basic twist to match this basic twist. A pinch twist here to match this pinch twist. Finish the head, you'll need 1 more basic twist here to match this one here. Twist these 2 together. You're going to separate this basic twist into two, creating a basic twist here of about 1 inch. And now push this through the center here. And you have the head of a bear. Now make a basic twist about 3 inches. Pinch twist. Another basic twist approximately the same length as here. Another one to match. A pinch twist here. Now the remaining balloon here is going to form the backbone and the tail. Well, actually the front leg, backbone, and the tail. Let me show you. So you're going to make a diamond shape here. Twist. And now, here at the end, make a small basic twist for the tail. And this gets folded, twisted into here. And there you have a teddy bear that's ready to be placed on your heart and may even earn a place in your heart. Teddy bear, heart. Place the teddy bear on the heart. Now you're going to take the 2 feet and twist them together. And there you have a teddy bear on a heart. So were you able to make your teddy bear balloon on a heart? I hope so. Please give us a like and please comment below if you have any balloons that you would like us to teach you in the future. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.